If you want to start your e-commerce business, chances are you would have heard about dropshipping and drop servicing. Although both are popular e-commerce models that are easy to start, what exactly are these? How do they work? And which one should you consider to fulfill your entrepreneurial dream? Hey all, welcome back to our channel, Let's Talk Success. This video will tell you all about drop servicing and dropshipping. So if you want to find out which one is best for you, watch this video till the end. Let's get into it. So, what are the drop servicing and dropshipping models? Before we get into the details, it's important to know what these models are. Dropshipping is a sort of retail fulfillment that allows you to run your business without keeping inventory. This means that once your customer places their orders, you buy the product from a supplier and have it delivered directly to your customer's doorstep. So, you see, the main difference between this model and the standard retail is the part that involves holding products in stock. You don't need to worry about the stock because your supplier takes care of the order fulfillment process. When we talk about drop servicing, it's very similar to drop shipping, but offers services instead of physical products. A drop servicing business model involves selling services to your clients that you don't fulfill yourself. Instead, you hire other people or outsource it from freelancers. As a drop servicer, you basically act as a middleman to find clients and then pay someone else to do it for you. However, drop servicing is a little tricky because you only earn a profit if you manage to generate a better profit margin than what you paid for. For example, let's say you got a logo design made for $10 on Fiverr and could sell it for $70 to your client, so you earned a $60 profit. However, some services allow very little profit margin, so you need to be careful about the services you plan to offer. Make sure to watch our drop servicing beginner guide for more clarity and an action plan. Moving on to a frequently asked question, how much do you need to invest? When it comes to drop service, the amount of investment varies. However, you should be ready for a monthly $29 payment for your Shopify account for starters. Besides, you will need to pay for a domain name that will have an annual cost of $9 to $14. But you can avail the first year free with an online promotion. You'll know what we mean once you watch our beginner drop servicing guide. Moreover, you will have to invest in testing out different freelancers to find the perfect one to work for you long term. This cost can vary as freelancers charge different prices. So, for example, if you want a blog writer and each charge around $20, it will cost you $60 just for test trials for 3 writers. You can always ask for a discount though. For dropshipping, you either need a lot of money or you need minimal investment. As you start doing your research, you will come across agencies acting as middlemen to build you a website for your store. However, these people charge you a lot and are not ideal for a beginner. As a beginner, you should always focus on building your most valuable asset, your knowledge. The good news is you can start your dropshipping career with zero investment. Yes, you heard that right. So what's the secret? One word: Shopify. Not only is this budget friendly, but this also ensures a long-term profitable business. Shopify is an e-commerce website that allows you to build your own store using its resources. What's more, the website has a minimal monthly subscription fee of $29, which you can enjoy free with a 14-day trial. Also, remember, you don't need a fancy store to earn 6-figure sales. You just need a place where buyers can visit you to see your products. So Shopify is a great place to start as a beginner. For a detailed explanation of how this business really works, the actual budget needed to start, and whether it is even worth starting in 2021, make sure to watch our video on Dropshipping 2021. Finally, let's compare the two business models to get a better picture. Although both business models have great potential, both have their pros and cons. However, the purpose of this video is to give you a better understanding of the two, so it helps you make the right decision. Investment costs. The good thing about drop servicing is that it doesn't require you to invest in a particular skill set. Since you act as a third party, you can always outsource any type of service. The only initial cost you have to bear in creating a website or space to sell your services. This can either be on WordPress or Shopify. Unlike drop servicing, you do need a small budget to start your dropshipping business. It includes online store costs and advertising costs. Experience required in drop servicing. Since you have to get your work done by others, it doesn't need you to have any experience. In fact, if you don't want to communicate with the clients yourself, you can even hire someone for this task. Dropshipping involves handling everything to your supplier, so you don't need any experience for this. Whether it's packaging, labeling, or shipping, your supplier takes care of everything. Profit margin. One of the best things about drop servicing is the profitability of generating a whopping $200 with just one sale. However, with dropshipping, you need to sell 100 products to earn a reasonable amount. Dropshipping isn't the most lucrative choice, since you don't buy products in bulk. The supplier doesn't sell you at wholesale prices, so your profit margin is low. Also, there are additional costs for packaging and shipping, so you can expect to make around 10 to 15% profit at most. So, dropshipping or drop servicing, which is better? Drop servicing is a perfect business model for newbies because of the low initial investments and zero experience required to get started. Although this is true for dropshipping also, in a while we'll tell you why we don't recommend it to beginners. As a beginner, you may find dropshipping highly competitive, time-taking, and earn low profits. However, once you gain some experience in business and handling customers, their queries and orders, you will generate better sales and expand your profit margin. Although both are great business opportunities, they have their drawbacks. Finally, it all comes down to what works for you. That's it, folks. What are your thoughts on this? Dropshipping or drop servicing? Which one do you pick? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoy our content, do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until next time.